What is digital marketing? Want to know how businesses sell products online? Or how people make money with ads, blogs, or social media? The answer is digital marketing, and I'm going to explain it in simple words. Digital marketing means promoting anything, a product, service, brand, using the internet or electronic devices. It's the modern way of reaching customers through screens instead of physical stores. Where do you see digital marketing? You've seen digital marketing everywhere: ads on YouTube and Instagram, sponsored posts on Facebook, Google search results with ads, emails from brands, websites that sell or promote something. Types of digital marketing. Here are some main types. Search engine optimization, SEO, making your site rank on Google. Social media marketing, SMM, promoting on Instagram, FB, YouTube. Email marketing, sending emails to attract and keep customers. Content marketing, using blogs, videos, or posts to educate and sell. Affiliate marketing, earning commission by promoting others' products. Pay-per-click ads, PPC, like Google or YouTube ads. Why it's powerful. Digital marketing is low cost, fast, global, and trackable. You can reach 10 people or 10 million, all online. That's why every company, influencer, and freelancer needs it. Who can learn digital marketing? Anyone. Students, small business owners, job seekers, content creators, even parents running a home business. You don't need coding, just strategy and tools. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it, and subscribe, because I'll be posting more digital marketing tutorials, tools, and career tips right here.